Have you ever created an educational course for the students? No matter how short or how long the course is a painful and long process. You have to go through a lot of iterations, even if you spend a lot of time on the initial draft. It is always an iterative process which takes a lot of time. But with the help of this tool, EverLearns, you can generate any course in 5 minutes with the help of AI. That's easy this whole process is. Now, in this video, I'm just going to give you an overview of this tool because it looks quite promising. This in the free tier, I believe only lets you generate the course's curriculum, but if you are interested and you like the tool, you can evaluate it and then upgrade to the paid plan. But the thing is that, as I said earlier, once creating a course used to take months and months, but with EverLearns, that can be done in 5 minutes. And you can think about all the time, effort, and energy you save. Educators, content creators, and also the parents, I think this could be quite beneficial. Um, for example, if you are looking to create and share more educational content for your audience, then maybe you can use it. Or if you're a busy parent and you want to educate your children on the side, you can do that too. For example, I'm based in Sydney, Australia, and Australia is a big place, and we have some really remote places in Australia where the only way the people who live in the outback or in the remote places in Australia, the only way for them to learn and get education is through distant learning. So they either do it through internet or even in some places there is no internet. So yes, so they still do it through the mail order and that kind of stuff. So for example, if those parents can use AI to generate the course and then just take it offline to those remote places, they can teach their kids or even get trained by themselves using those courses. So there are a lot of utilities. I could think of any tool like this. So the way you can use it quite easy. First, let's log in there. You can log in with your email account or with your free personal workspace with your email account, which I already have done, as you can see on your screen. Once you are logged in, you can start creating the course. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, so you can see the dashboard is pretty simple and easy to understand. There you have your courses, your library, which includes all of your courses, and you can also search them. I haven't created anything, so I just wanted to do it in front of you raw. So let's get started. I clicked on create free course. Now here let's go with the uh, artificial intelligence, maybe introduction, target audience, and professionals alike. They have fair understanding of basic AI concepts. And I'm not going to go with the optional setting, which is only English. And I think this only supports English at the moment, I believe. Click on next. And then it is saying that let's brainstorm the course overview. Do you have any reference we should look at while generating the course? Let me give it the link of maybe one of my videos. These are few of my videos. So maybe I'll just go with a quick tutorial on Hugging Face. I will just give it as a reference from my own channel. Let's go back to the EverLearns. Let me, okay, it says upload. So can I just paste my link here? Nope, I cannot paste anything. So I'm just going to, I'll just say start generating without reference. There you go. So it has generated the course title and then it has generated the course modules here. Now you can add a new module or you can delete any existing one, and I believe you can also rearrange it if you like. For example, you want this to be here, and then it has also given you the synopsis of all of these modules of the course. Let's click on next, and then it is generating the curriculum out of that module, and for every module it is going to generate it. And look how cool is that. I like it. So it is still generating it. Let's wait for it to come back. I'll just go here. I think this one is in the progress. And while running it, it has given me this error. So edge function invocation seems like some sort of serverless function error anyway. So it is still working. I'm not sure if it will work or not. Maybe I will reload it. I have reloaded it, so let's see what it does. Yeah, this time it works. Cool. There you go. So this is your whole course. How cool is that? And then let's click on next, and I think because it's a free one, I don't think so it is going to let me create the whole course. Okay, so I can generate first 3 lessons of the first module for free, and then I would have to upgrade. So I will let it generate the course while I show you the pricing if I could. There you go. So there are two options. One is the hobbyist one, which is 29 US dollar per month, and then the other one is $99 per month. In that 99 one, you can create 50 full courses. Wow, that is huge. You can open a whole university with the help of this. Okay, there you go. So course has generated successfully, as you can see at the top. And if you go through it, it is telling us, okay, this is the topic, target audience, and learning outcomes which we specified. And then from here, it has gone module by module. On the left hand side, it is same thing. And for example, if I go here, types of AI, I clicked here, it didn't show me anything. Okay, so I think I would need to pay them to get access there. And then in order to generate full course at the top, you would need to pay, of course. And this is another cool thing where you can export it to PDF, or you can even export to a zip file of HTML file. So you export it to PDF, take it offline, and then or you can even put it on your website if you like, I guess, in a PDF format. Or I think there can be some, you can use any other LLM to convert it from PDF to another document, and then you can ingest it. There are a lot of options there, and of course you can share it. So what happens if I click on settings? So it's again, it is showing us a plan or how many seats I have, and I think it is just doing the current one. And then you can also engage more members to your course. That is awesome. Good stuff. And just because I'm on the free version, this is still unpublished. But all in all, a really good tool. As you can see, generates quite a good outline of the course with curriculum and advanced modules with the lessons. If you click on the left hand side, you can see that this has given me the more detail of the lesson it has created. There you go. So it has given me a lot of other stuff, and I'm more than sure when you click here, you can edit it with all the stuff and then save it. So it is fully customizable, thankfully. So that's it, guys. I really like the tool. I will drop the link to in video's description. Try it out. Let me know how you go, and if you generate any course, share it in the comments. Happy to look over it. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.